Good afternoon, traders. Adam Ryan here with Optic Trading. Welcome back to another market recap video covering crude oil. So crude has just been making a slow grind higher and higher and higher after we had that large retracement from the 52-week highs. Started to see the market come into balance and buyers step in, and then now we're kind of just slowly grinding higher and higher and higher. So we're not really seeing any explosive force on the buy side, but the buyers are in control at this moment. So to start with today, we gapped up. We did have a market reversal off the open. Sellers came in and we pushed down to the previous day's high. Now at the previous day's high, we've seen it repeatedly test the level over and over again. Right here, buyers really couldn't gain any traction. And one thing to note when you see levels being repeatedly tested is each time the level's tested, it's actually weakening that level. And more traders are going to be putting stops here because more and more times it gets tested, more and more traders are buying in this area. So the more traders that are buying in this level, putting their stops below here, as soon as it does break, we have much more stops building at this point, whereas if we only test the level maybe one or two times. So that's what we've seen here. We've seen a breakout, the stops were hit, and we traveled down to the rejection area in here, and then we popped off of that and we've seen a market reversal. So the market reversal is this kind of W pattern where we'll see a low, buyers will come in off that low, then we'll go to retest that low, and buyers come in again. So we had a market reversal in here, and then we traded up back above the previous day's high. So buyers are still looking in control. One thing to note is we do have a spike high into the close. So when you see that we have these spike highs into the close, it's very important where we open tomorrow. So do we open above this spike high or do we open below? If we open above the spike high, that's generally a bearish signal. And if we open below, so if we were to gap, somewhere down in here, that could be a bearish signal. But with buyers in control, we definitely want to watch to see if they don't see that as an opportunity to buy, because there's instances where you can gap lower and you think it's bearish, but then the buyers come in. We had one of them right in here. So buyers were in control at this point, and we have a large gap outside of balance right in here, and then buyers came in and pushed price up. So that's something that you're going to have to be aware of. But generally speaking, when you do have a spike high or a spike low into the close, the direction that you open is going to wait on who's in control. So if we open above that, it'd be the buyers. If we open below that, it'd be the sellers. But you also got to take context into consideration. So in this context, it's looking like the buyers have control at this moment. So that's something that we'll have to pay attention to going forward. I hope you guys enjoyed this market recap. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That lets me know you guys enjoy these videos and you want more of them. Best of luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.